How do you get into Toronto's real estate market with today's prices? Hi there, I'm Nawar Naji, a real estate broker with Chestnut Park Real Estate in the city of Toronto. I had a call with a first-time buyer earlier this week asking about buying a duplex or a triplex where he can live in one unit and rent possibly the other one or two if it was a duplex or a triplex. And I have to say this is a smart, intelligent young man, because that is a very smart way of getting into this city where you live in one unit and then have the other two units subsidize your cost of living. Now, the problem here, the first-time buyer does not have, $250,000 as a down payment to cover the down payment portion, which is 20% for anything over $1 million. Plus, you got land transfer taxes, closing fees, and all that stuff to worry about. So, my recommendation was to approach the Toronto real estate market like a ladder. Start at the first step. So, my advice was, get into the condo market. Buy something. And here's an example of what I told him. I told him, buy something in the 550 range, a one-bedroom condo in the core, put in your minimum down payment, so in this case it would be $30,000. And here's the power of real estate. $30,000 with 4% annual appreciation over a 5 years time frame with mortgage pay down. So no lump sums, no extra payments, and that's something that this first-time buyer can do. That $30,000 equity position after 5 years with 4% appreciation and mortgage paydown is just under $185,000. This is the power of real estate. Started with $30,000 and in 5 years have $185,000 available in equity, which will give that first-time buyer, so in this case it would be a move-up buyer, a lot of options to move up into that Toronto real estate market. So in that case, hopefully, that person's income would be much higher. Maybe they have a partner, so they have two incomes. They have that equity plus some savings. They have options to buy a duplex, a triplex, or move up to their next home in the city of Toronto. If you're looking to get into the Toronto real estate market or buy investment property, please feel free to reach out. I'd be more than happy to help. And finally, if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, happy investing.